Now, if you were asked to just list a certain set of data, for example, management just want to see the top three countries, the top five countries, the top two countries, the lowest country in terms of revenue, cost of goods sold, whatever that is. There's a dynamic array or an array formula that's called take. So we're going to use the sort by and take together to be able to come up with this specific list. Okay. So let's say we want these as well: country, cost of goods sold, and revenue. And we're going to start with the sort by equal sort by. I want the array to be country. I don't want the profit for now. I want it to be set by, let's say, revenue. I want to sort it by highest revenue to lowest revenue. And I want it in descending order. Okay. Again, let's do a simple function that's faster. So here I have the highest, which is the US, $6 million of revenue, going to the lowest, which is Ukraine, $1.1 million. Now, what if we don't want all of this data? We just want to take, that's why we're going to use the take function. We're just going to take the top three. So we're going to put take, again, it's as simple as that. This is the array, comma, and you have the rows. Now, if you put a positive row, it's going to take the top. If you put a negative row, it's going to take the lowest. So if I put number 3 and I just close it, it's going to give me the top 3 countries in terms of revenue. So the top 3 countries are US, China, Canada. But if I put -3, it's going to give me the lowest 3 countries, which are Netherlands, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Ukraine. So 1.1, 1.5 million, 1.4, and 1.1. So that's another way. Actually, you can use any number. So if I want only the lowest 2, I can just put -2, and so on.